Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fund your Sofi account with a bank transfer. Let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of prerequisites to doing this. The first is to ensure that you have a Sofi's account and are logged into that account, and the second is to verify your identity and bank account information. Now when it comes to adding a bank account, what you want to do is to log into your Sofi account and then click on add funds or deposits. Then you want to select bank transfer as the funding method, then click on link a bank, and then enter your bank account information, including your bank name, routing number, account number, and then just confirm your bank account information, and that's gonna have that done. Now when initiating a bank transfer, what you want to do is to log into your Sofi account and then click on add funds or deposits, and then select a bank transfer as the funding method, and then you're just going to choose the bank account that you want to transfer funds from, and then you got to enter the amounts that you want to transfer, and of course review and confirm the transfer details. Now for funding options, the standard transfer takes between 3 to 5 business days, and there are no fees incurred, while express transfer is between 1 to 2 business days, and there is a $4.95 fee. As for wire transfer, that happens in the same day, or it could be the next business day, and there's a $10 fee. So you gotta take note of those. Now when it comes to tracking your transfer, all you gotta do is just log into your Sofi account and then click on transaction history, and then you gotta find the transfer that you initiated and you can check its status. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because I helps us out a lot. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.